Everybody. Now we have developed a neural network model which can correctly classify any given human image specifically as into two genders, either a male or a female. We developed this model we got inspired to develop this model because there are many dating apps and many other classification apps wherein the user profile can be accurately classified into a male or a female depending on the likes and dislikes, depending on the likes and dislikes of a person using the dating app. Or we could also use this app to profile any footage found on CCTV cameras, wherein we extract the face of the image and then feed it to a convolutional layer to get a remote profiling and hopefully catching a criminal more easier. So this so yeah we decided to show yeah so coming to the demo, we have a demo of three images: an image of a male, an image of a female, and an anomaly image, and to see how the model does in this type of scenarios. uh, so without wasting further ado, let's go to the demo. So the demo is built on a local host server that is running on local machine. This is Uh, not pretty much, but yes. So now we upload. Now we have an option to upload an image. So we choose the file first. So now we upload a male image, which is Keanu Reeves, obviously. Uh, and then when we click the upload button, the model, what it does is it runs a convolutional network wherein it gets the face of the image, just the face part, extracts it, and then passes it to a convolution layer, which it predicts as a male. So the convolution layer which we use is a VGG face model, which is one of the best deep recognition models till date. Since it's been tested on more than a million or million or two millions and millions of faces, or the YouTube faces dataset. Hence, the model will be more accurate in classifying faces compared to any handwritten model. Uh, Similarly, now we can give another demo wherein we we can give another demo wherein we now pass a female in it and see how the model predicts. Uh, so we give this image. So let's try it out. Upload and we select the female image. Yeah. So uh, yeah, and now we click on upload as usual, and we wait. It does take a little bit of time because the image has to get uploaded as well, and the model does take a little bit of time to do the prediction. And how do you know the model is predicting correctly is we also return the image. I mean, we also return the value of the prediction, which is a 1 cross 1 numpy array. Since we have only classification class two classes to be classified as, we use a sigmoid curve, wherein if a value anything between the value of 0.5 or below would classify as one gender, or anything which is above zero point 0.5 and 1 would classify another gender. Hence, for a female, we found that the sigmoid value is 0, and for a male, it always peaks at 1. It's the sigmoid curve. Uh, Now we test our dataset. We test our model on the anomaly image, which is a transsexual athlete. Since we don't have any other third gender, we can see how the model behaves on another image, which it hasn't seen through the two classes that we have. Without further ado, let's test it again. So just hit the back button. Now we upload the new image. We upload the Castro Semiano, who is a great athlete. Uh, then we just open. Now we upload. And now we wait. See the interesting. Oh yeah, and since the model actually predicted that the athlete was actually a male athlete instead of a female, which is kind of interesting take, which is kind of an interesting take on the model. as how it behaves and how the model was actually originally trained on such images. So, hence, due to that fact, the model always predicts how it was trained before, which can be improved with further direction. But our model has a great use cases in many interesting applications, such as dating applications or in CCTV remote profiling applications. Thank you so much.